Hi, it's Katherine Greenland from Greenland Consulting, bringing you synergistic solutions for a world in transition. I'm here at the beautiful Emily Carr University of Art and Design in Vancouver, British Columbia, attending the Arts and Society Conference and presenting on community engagement. Community engagement is typically a collaborative effort between two or more institutional stakeholders or partners around a shared priority. And the presentation I was giving here was about a community engagement effort between a college, a nonprofit organization, and a city municipality around the shared priority of affordable housing and community resiliency.
It's not further colonization, whereby we're abusing the dynamics of privilege and power, one group assuming that they know what's best for another group. And so when we set up projects, we are focusing on reciprocity and self-identified agendas and outcomes so that all stakeholders have a voice and there is a lateral structured decision making.
These kinds of efforts can take all sorts of different shapes depending on the goals and objectives of the institutions involved. And the collaboration can be between universities, non-government organizations, nonprofits, corporations, as well as cities and government organizations. And what often results is a synergistic outcome, and what that means is that the impact generated is much greater because of the collaboration between these institutions than if they had gone about it alone and by themselves. So if your organization has a community engagement need, then Greenland Consulting can help you. Find us on the web at katherinegreenland.com.